Hey tech lovers, are you ready for a major shakeup in the smartphone world? Apple's next big move could redefine the tech landscape as we know it, with rumors swirling around the iPhone 17 Slim and Samsung's Galaxy S25. Let's break down what we can expect. Get excited because Apple is rumored to introduce the iPhone 17 Slim, which might be the most revolutionary iPhone since the iPhone X. This ultra-slim model is set to be Apple's priciest phone yet, featuring a sleek titanium design and a cutting-edge variable aperture main camera sensor. Reports suggest that the iPhone 17 Slim will have a 6.6-inch display and could replace the iPhone 17 Plus. This mirrors Apple's strategy back in 2018 with the iPhone X, which introduced a game-changing design and tech features. Will this new iPhone set the bar even higher? The iPhone 17 Slim isn't the only thing in the mix. The upcoming lineup will include both standard and Pro models, all boasting a 120Hz refresh rate. Plus, Apple might introduce a new front camera with a stunning 24-megapixel resolution. Samsung, get ready for some serious competition. Apple's plans could mean a deeper collaboration with Samsung. Rumors indicate that Apple might ditch Sony in favor of Samsung-made camera sensors for the iPhone 18, expected in 2026. This move could also lead to a folding iPhone using a Samsung-made foldable panel. This potential shift could bring a major revenue boost for Samsung, which already supplies components for Apple's displays. With the addition of camera sensors, Samsung stands to gain significantly. How will this impact the tech rivalry between these two giants? What do you think about Apple's bold strategy with the iPhone 17 Slim and their possible new camera supplier? Is this a smart move or just another gimmick? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech updates, and don't forget to tap the bell icon so you never miss a beat. See you in the next one.